In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many failed attempts while creating a Yahoo email account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you're getting that message, too many failed attempts error while creating that account, it usually means Yahoo temporarily blocked new signups from your device or network due to repeated failed verifications attempts, like entering wrong captcha codes or phone numbers. Now, I'm going to go through a step-by-step guide in order to fix this. Now, the first fix is, depending what browser you're on, you want to go ahead and clear browser data and cache and cookies and all that stuff. So I'm on Google Chrome. So to do it on Google Chrome, I'm going to click on the three dots, click onto settings. And now inside of settings on the left hand side, we want to go ahead and click on privacy and security, third parties, delete browsing data, click onto that. So you want to go ahead and make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then go ahead and click on delete data and then close your browser and then reopen it and see if that fixes your issues. Now, another thing what we can do is use a different browser. So if you're using I'm using Google Chrome, you can try Firefox or Microsoft Edge, anything like that, and try and create your account, Yahoo account on there. Now, fix number 3 is change your IP address. So Yahoo may have rate limited your IP. So you can disconnect and reconnect your Wi-Fi or mobile data. This might give you a new IP. Also, try a different internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, go ahead and switch over to mobile data, or even use your work's internet and try that. Now, if you're using a VPN, disable it or switch it to another location. Now, fix number 4 is wait for the cool off period. So Yahoo, I'm pretty certain, impose a temporary block. This can be usually between 12 to 36 hours after too many attempts. So during this time, avoid trying to register repeatedly. Just wait it out for a day or two and start from a fresh session. Now, Yahoo might block your number, so you can use a different phone number or device. So yeah, Yahoo sometimes locks the phone number used for verification. So try create an account on a different device, maybe phone, tablet or PC, and use a different mobile device, maybe your friends or partners, for that verification. Now, fix number 6 is check for your browser extensions. So go ahead and disable any dodgy extensions you've got going on, or just disable them all and try.